WebCab has developed a series of software and solutions for the woodworking industry, an industry that is very important to us.
We started a business 20 years ago by being resellers of engineering software. We started in the woodworking industry without knowing nothing about that industry. But working with our customer, they really shared us their passion about their factory. As the time passed by, we really realized that customer has specific issues that they needed to solve, but there was nothing really built for the woodworking industry. And this is where we really started at WebCab doing our own software. WebCab is based really in three types of solutions. So we have a solution to work into the production level, solve also issues with the planning level, and also with the inventory. Every of these software works together, but can work independently. So we're not obligating people to work with all of their solutions, and they can grow as they're going through with this. We build interface to simplify the work of the people using it.
We want to do each and every baby step to make sure the customer is getting quick benefits and then can go to the next step. And it is to go one step at a time.
Our goal here is really to allow customer to automate their manufacturing process.
One of the very important elements of WebCab's DNA is our team. We surround ourselves only with the best, and we want to make sure everyone wants to help this industry and make it better. 60% of what we develop comes from customer ideas or suggestions, and the remaining 40% comes from pure internal innovation initiatives, research and development.
WebCab is still going to continue investing in the research and development.
We have to really continue to listen to customers and understand the market needs, but also stay very close to any new technologies entering this world, and there's plenty of them. We have to understand them and adapt them so that they can help this industry grow. WebCab is already established in several countries. And since automation is a crucial need across the globe, we're continuing to expand our territory to help both the community and the wood industry grow.
We want the woodworking industry to be a model in the manufacturing industry.